What's going on, guys? Josh here from N&J. Today we're gonna be doing oil change on my 2019 Indian Scout bobber. I've never done it before, changing the oil for the first time. I went with the Indian Motorcycle Scout oil change kit. I figured it would be the best thing to do. It comes with everything you need. It was about $70. So if you want to do AMSOIL, you can. You just got to get the right oil and the right filter. This comes in a package. I think it's just a little bit easier. So yeah, we'll kind of walk you guys through the process, and that's pretty much it. First thing, you got to make sure the oil is warm. I let my bike idle for about 5 minutes. Got to about 130 degrees. Hopefully it won't burn me. It probably will, but yeah, let's get started. All right, I shall stand up to it. So mine, Nick's bike's not in the garage. Nick's bike and like other bikes like Springer are really low to the ground, where traditional oil pans, unless you get a certain one, isn't going to fit under it. So we went to the dollar store and bought like these tin pans that you would put like food in for like graduation parties and shit. So this is what we're going to use to catch the oil. They're nice and low. Slide it under the bike. So we're going to do that. There's 2 drain plugs that are 6mm Allen socket things. So I got a 6mm Allen because I don't think we have a socket wrench for it. We're going to pull the plugs, start draining it, and then I'm going to stand it up, and I'm going to take this off while I'm thinking about it. Maybe. Wear gloves when you do this because it burns the shit out of your hands. All right, so there's 2 drain plugs, one here, one here. I'll be honest, I don't know why there's 2, but one is like right next to the kickstand. The other one's probably 4 or 5 inches up. So yeah, you gotta pull both of those. Oh yeah. Stand it up. You recording? All right. So if you get the oil change kit, this is another reason I recommend getting this. It comes with 2 new washers for the drain plugs. You got to put these on, and then you got the filter. Perfect. Are you still filming? So I do remember, I don't think I said this yet, but before I decided to change this, my oil light was coming on, like at stoplights and stuff when the bike wasn't running. So it's very possible that my bike was super low on oil. Kind of my fault, I never really checked it, because it still ran fine. But looking at the oil in the pan, it's not like super metallic or anything, so I don't think we messed anything up. But yeah, get new washers on there. I think their old ones might be stuck on the bottom of the pan. How did that cigarette get there? Who knows? We don't smoke. So yeah, I'm gonna grab a screwdriver and see if they're still on there. So I'm wiping down the base of where the filter goes in. You gotta make sure you lubricate the filter. So what I do is I just take the filter, the O-ring on the old one, kind of put them together. That lubricates this one. And then you go ahead and put her on.
Oh, you put the wrong one on, imagine.
We're gonna put the drain plugs back in and load it up with some oil. Those washers fit right in there.
Good, maybe they didn't fucking put them on when they changed it after the demo shit.
They must not have. It also says torque them to like 15. Yeah, you can. I just do, you know, a little, that's tight.
A little dad tight?
Yeah, I mean, it's not gonna hurt them. Tighten it down with your finger and just kind of give her a nice little tug. Oh, they're not going anywhere. There we go. Take this thing again, kind of wipe her down. Now we get to fill her up. All right, so we're gonna start with 3 quarts. right into this little hole right here. It says anywhere from 3 to 4, so we'll start with 3, check her, and go from there. Stick her in there. We were using, for this bike, it's 1560 full synthetic motor oil. Like I said, you can do AMSOIL. You just gotta make sure you get the right shit. And of course, it's gonna be slow.
Oh, yeah.
One more quart before we check it. Turn it on, let it idle for 30 seconds, set it back down, and we'll check the level. Also, while it's idling, make sure nothing's
Leaking.
yeah, leaking. I'll make check that because you'll be further back. Definitely needs more oil.
That's what it said 2 weeks ago.
No shit. They said on the website that the difference between the ad and the full was 16 ounces, which, how much is a quart, Nick?
I don't know. More than that.
I think it's 32, isn't it?
Something like that.
So we'll add a half of this.
I don't know. Look how big that is. Won't it say?
Well, I guess. Trust me. I know what I'm doing.
Okay.
We'll add about half. Right about there. Check the level. According to this, we're good. There you go. How you change your oil in your Indian Scout Bobber? I guess. Check your oil.
Yeah.
I rode all last year, probably never checked it. I promise, I'm way smarter than that. It also sat all winter. I don't know, maybe that had something to do with it, probably not. But yeah, I recommend the oil change kit from Indian. It's like $70. You're probably gonna spend that much if you get AMSOIL or something like that in a filter, so I would just buy the kit. Comes with the O-rings or the washers, comes with the filter, the right oil. Like I said, $70, can't beat it. So thanks for tuning in. Sorry we haven't been uploading a lot recently. School, work, weather's been really shitty here in Michigan, so we're trying our best to get some more videos out. So thanks for everyone, all the new subscribers that we have that have been subscribing, even though we haven't been making videos. You guys are awesome. We're over 100 now, so thanks for subscribing. And we'll catch you guys in the next video.